are back at the Hudson Speedway. We're here with both the NEMA Lites and the full NEMA cars. We found some issues with the car from last week. We had a leaking brake line, and we're thinking that could be why Eric was so tight entering the corner. We did make a spring adjustment in the front end, so we're hoping that that will help the car turn in, and hopefully we can have some success. I also changed the fuel fitting on there to try to give it more fuel with the new pump that's on there, so we'll see if that helps out, and we can talk a little bit more about that later. Alright guys, so not off to a good start. Second practice we made some changes with the sway bar on the car, and we ended up having a brake issue. The bolt is stripped on the bottom of the rear caliper. We've got it back together. It's something we're going to have to address during the week. We just don't have time to rip everything apart here at the track. So I'm going to start tail of the heat race, run a few laps. We'll see how it holds together, and then we'll come in and check it. If it stays in position, we'll be in good shape. If not, we'll just take the green in the feature. But I think we should be all right. So we'll see. Hopefully we got it good enough. So. Alright guys, so we made a couple more changes for the feature. The brake caliper, that problem seems to be solved for now. So the car is ready to go for the feature, but I've decided to loan it out. So this is Ben. He owns Hudson Speedway.
What's going on? And
when we came here earlier in the year for the Jim O'Brien Memorial, I asked him what he thought of the race, and he said, I want to try one of those. So guys, Ben's gonna try one of those. We're gonna let him try our car, go out there and see what midget racing's all about. Good luck.
Thanks, I'm gonna need it.
We're not gonna play with fuel, just turn on the ignition and we'll start it. Yay.
So you gotta tell him though, Dennis, when he comes off pit road, take it out of gear.
Yeah, well, use the clutch.
Just hold it when it's...
Just use the clutch to bring it back to the pit, just like a normal clutch.
I don't want to be firing into the trailer.
So. love it. Of all the talks that we do with the kids on Thursday night.
Oh, thanks. I'm gonna need it. I love the inspirational quotes here. Give them hell, the wall is lava. That's a good one. I like that one.
At least make sure you give it full throttle so you
I
can feel
will.
it. Yeah.
I'll figure it out. It's just
Yeah.
gonna take me a little bit.
Yeah. So you'll have fun with it.
Oh yeah.
Knew I would rip
That's not true. I'm pretty
things
sure.
off of him.
I'm pretty sure that Dennis and I knew before
Hi,
you.
honey.
Did you not want me to come over?
No, it's just their own.
Way better.
Thank you. Love you too.
Are you at all nervous?
No, actually not. So
I am.
Mike's nervous. So actually,
the wife of the relationship, so I have to be nervous.
he's those goosebumps aren't because Ben's on the track. They're actually because I'm standing this close to him.
And I know that we'll have to put a clutch in that thing when it's all done.
That was f***ing awesome. I want one. I want one like now. Holy shit, that's f***ing sick. Oh man, that was fun.
This is the first time?
Woo. Was awesome. I want one. I want one.
Hey, right.
Now I gotta try and get out. That's
All right. So the secret, you got to twist a little as you when you
Twist
come up.
this way?
So just pull yourself up with this. Both of them kind of twist a little. Your head's gonna go up that way. There you go. And then now you can get this leg back out.
Oh, thank you. Holy what a rush that is.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah. I don't even want to drive the mods anymore. I just want to
yeah. Not like driving a streeter, you know? No? They turn, they want to do it.
No, that was like I wanted to drive in harder over there.
Yeah.
But I'm like, I don't know.
It'll hold, but it's gonna feel like it wants to come around because you're running 6 inches of stagger.
Short wheelbase.
So you need it to come in harder
Yeah.
to try to get down to get that nose to turn, and then all you do is just stand on it.
Well, 'cause I was backing off a lot because I didn't
we-
know where to enter, and I'm like,
Can you flat foot it?
oh yeah,
Right back to wide open.
oh yeah. That was fun. Add one. I've had it in like, that's like, everything's just blurring around you. It's like, wow!
It's like, everything is just quicker. Everything happens quicker.
Ben brought the car back in one piece. So
I really didn't want to stop, but I kind of had to because I knew you had a race coming up. And I
That's
don't
all
want to
right.
wreck your tires.
no, I put enough fuel in it for you to go.
That is awesome. Like, I want one. Like, really bad.
So yeah, they are addicting. So
That is wicked cool.
fun to drive. So glad you had fun.
Oh, that was. Like, I really want one.
I would have hated you to get out of the car and be like, "You guys are morons." That
No,
sucks."
screw that. You kidding me? That was awesome. That was awesome. I think how twitchy it was.
Yeah. So, all right, now it's my turn to get out there, and what are we going? 25, 30 laps. So, I don't know. Start and last, only one place to go from there. So we'll see how it goes.
Don't suck. Thank you.
I probably will.
It's making a dragging sound.
So the day didn't go as planned. We had the brake issue early, and the feature when I touched the brakes, it started feeling like it was grinding. So I was worried about the bolt backing out, and I knew staying on the track, you know, I'd risk destroying the whole rear assembly and maybe even taking the fuel cell out. So I pulled it in so we can get it home, check it out. I will have to say we did change springs and we moved the front panhard bar up. That made a world of difference. The car really felt a lot better. It was not tight at all. So I think we've been going in the direction of softer rear springs, and I think what's happening is with the amount of rear weight, we're just pulling all the weight off the front. The car felt good. I was happy with the car. Just a little tick loose in the center out, but I think that's because we're having to run too much stagger because we can't get the right size tires. So I think if we get the right size tires in a couple weeks, you know, I think Eric's going to be happy with where the car's at, and he should like it. So like, subscribe to the Hometrack channel, like the video, subscribe to the Hometrack channel, and we'll see you at Wiscasset in 2 weeks.